selling a set of 8 heavy-duty handcarts manufactured by SI Handling Systems. They do have a 3-foot wide by 7-foot long deck, and that 7 feet is going to be measured from your rack to about right here. This is in addition to the 7 feet, and they are 3 feet wide. Those decks are made of oak. While we could not find the exact capacity for this model, the lowest we could find was 2,000 for the series, and the highest was 3,650 pounds. The wheels are 8 inches in diameter. The rear are fixed. The front are swiveling. And if you take a look at this stack, these weigh several hundred pounds each, so you figure this one has 3, 6, 9, 12. There's about 1,200 pounds on this lower cart, and it does roll just fine. We have owned these durable carts for approximately 20 years and no longer have use for them. We are offering all 8 carts together for one low price. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.